Everyone, my name is Neetu Kadapa, studying in 6C. Today I am telling you day and date. Today's day is Monday and date is 22 June 2026. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rihana Abhijit Lande from Standard 6C. Today I am going to tell you today's positive affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on a fresh start. Please repeat with me. Today is a good day. I am ready to learn, grow, and do my best. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Siddiq Musimuzawar from 6C. Today I am going to tell you thought of the day, and the thought is empowering the world in the defense of rainforests. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ishita Patil from grade 5. I am Nirjala Shivanand Mai from grade 6.
Good morning everyone, this is Nidra from grade 6.
Today I am going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today's importance of the day is World Rainforest Day. World Rainforest Day is celebrated to increase global awareness of rainforests. It encourages to help protect and regenerate rainforests. Focus of the day: raising global awareness about the importance of forests and protect, restore and regenerate them.
Message to the community from Chadala Park School. If we lost the forest, we lost the fight against climate change.
Learning for the students, it helps understand biodiversity, water cycle and climate stability. Everyday items including chocolate, coffee, vanilla, rubber originate from the rainforest.
Closing thought, protect the lungs of the earth and save the rainforest. Thank you.